What if I told you that a company earning millions can still go bankrupt, while a modest startup becomes a billion-dollar unicorn in just a few years? Welcome to the brain behind every billion-dollar brand, financial management, the engine room of every successful business. Money doesn't grow businesses. Smart money management does. From Tata to Tesla, the world's biggest empires aren't just built on great ideas. They're built on how those ideas are funded, managed, and scaled. This is where the real game of business begins. So let's get started. First, what is financial management? Definition: financial management is the process of planning, organizing, controlling, and monitoring financial resources to achieve organizational objectives. In simple terms, financial management is the strategic planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of financial activities in an organization. It involves managing the firm's financial resources to achieve its business goals effectively and efficiently. Think of it as the GPS of a company's money, guiding where it should go, how it should be used, and how to avoid crashing on the way to profitability. According to Joseph Massey, financial management is the operational activity of a business that is responsible for obtaining and effectively utilizing the funds necessary for efficient operations. It's about aligning financial resources with business goals by answering three critical questions. How do we acquire money? How do we allocate money? How do we control financial operations? For example, let's take Tesla for instance. When Elon Musk was launching the Model 3, Tesla had to make massive investments in production lines, raw materials, and manpower. Financial management was used to raise funds through stock sales, allocate budgets for each department, monitor cash flow, and plan long-term returns. Without strong financial management, even an innovative product like the Model 3 could have become a financial disaster. Second, objectives of financial management. The key objectives of financial management can be summed up in four words: profitability, liquidity, efficiency, and stability. Let's break these down. Number one, profit maximization. Ensure that the company generates maximum profit for its owners' shareholders. And wealth maximization. Focus on increasing the value of the company in the long run. Number two, proper utilization of funds. Avoid wastage and use available resources efficiently. Number three, ensuring liquidity. Make sure there's enough cash available for daily operations. Number four, financial discipline. Avoid overspending and maintain control over finances. For example, Infosys, one of India's top IT firms, maintains high liquidity and reinvests profits wisely. This has helped them survive global market crashes and emerge even stronger. Narayana Murthy once said, "Progress is often equal to the difference between mind and mindset." In financial terms, progress comes from discipline, not just revenue. Third, importance of financial management. Every business, from tea stalls to a large corporation, needs money management. Let's break down why. Number one, capital allocation. It ensures money goes to the most efficient areas: operations, marketing, innovation, or infrastructure. Number two, financial planning. Helps businesses plan for current and future needs, maintaining liquidity and solvency. Number three, risk management. Identifies financial risks early and provides strategies to reduce or avoid them. Number four, informed decision-making. From launching a new product to opening a new branch, financial management provides data-driven insights to make smarter decisions. Number five, shareholder value. Drives wealth maximization through dividends, capital gains, and long-term profitability. For example, Zomato. When Zomato went public, its financial management team had to prepare detailed financial reports, maintain transparency, and comply with regulatory standards. The entire IPO process required sharp financial planning and forecasting. Fourth, types of financial management. Think of this as the 360 degrees view of money decisions. Number one, investment decisions, also called capital budgeting, where to invest funds for maximum returns. For example, should Apple invest more in R&D or open more Apple stores globally? Number two, financing decisions, choosing between debt, equity, or hybrid instruments to raise funds. For example, Reliance sold a portion of Geo Platforms to Google and Facebook. That's smart, equity-based financing. Debt-free growth. Number three, Dividend decisions. How much profit to share versus reinvest. Companies like TCS maintain consistent dividend policies to build investor trust. Number 4, liquidity decisions. Ensuring the company has enough cash to run day-to-day operations. A business without adequate liquidity is like a car without fuel. Fifth, functions of financial management. Now let's talk about the core functions of financial management. These functions are usually categorized under 3 major activities. First, financial planning. This involves forecasting financial needs, estimating capital requirements, and deciding capital structure to align financial goals. For example, startups often build 3-year and 5-year financial projections before seeking investor funds. Second, financial control. This involves budgeting, financial analysis, and monitoring expenses. For example, Maruti Suzuki uses detailed budgeting and cost control systems to maintain its leadership in India's automobile market. Third, financial decision-making. This involves investment decisions, where to invest money, financing decisions, where to raise money from, and dividend decisions, how much profit to share with shareholders. For example, Apple regularly buys back its own shares and declares dividends. This is a result of sound financial decision-making. If you're watching and finding these functions of financial management helpful so far, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more such insightful content on business and management topics. So, tools of financial management. Modern tools help in financial forecasting and decision-making. Financial ratios, ROI, debt to equity, cash flow statements, break-even analysis, budget planning software like Zoho Books and QuickBooks, ERP systems like SAP and Oracle. For example, Amazon uses advanced financial modeling tools to optimize logistics, pricing, and supplier contracts. Role of financial manager. A financial manager plays a crucial role in all these decisions. The financial manager is like the captain of the ship. Think of a CFO as the business's strategist, not just the accountant. Their job includes ensuring adequate capital, managing funds wisely, monitoring cash flow, minimizing cost of capital, ensuring regulatory compliance. For example, at Google, CFO Ruth Porat is known for driving cost discipline and financial innovation that has helped the company maintain profitability even during economic downturns. Sixth, principles of financial management. Here are the rules that make finance work. First, principle of risk return. Trade-off. Higher returns come with higher risks. Balance is key. Second, principle of time value of money. $100 today is worth more than $100 a year from now. Third, principle of profitability versus liquidity. Profit is essential, but not at the cost of liquidity. Fourth, principle of matching. Match the duration of funds with the purpose. Long-term loans for infrastructure, short-term for working capital. Fifth, principle of diversification. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Spread your risk. Don't gamble on one source. For example, Apple's investment portfolio is well diversified, which provides stability despite market fluctuations. Personal financial management. Financial management isn't just for companies, it's equally important for individuals. Budget your salary, avoid impulse credit use, create emergency buffers, plan investments, FDs, mutual funds, SIPs, retirement planning. Let's say you earn $50,000 per month. If you manage your finances well, track your expenses, save 20%, invest 30%, and spend 50% wisely, you'll be financially secure even in emergencies. Apps like Money Control, Cred, or ET Money can help you manage your personal finances just like a CFO manages a company. 7, challenges in financial management. Despite its importance, financial management faces many challenges. Fluctuating market conditions, rising cost of capital, inflation and currency risks, regulatory changes, poor forecasting, fraud and misreporting. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, even large firms like Air India and Jet Airways faced financial collapse due to poor cash flow and high debt, highlighting the importance of robust financial strategies. 8th, modern trends in financial management. Today's financial world is fast evolving. AI and financial forecasting, blockchain for secure transactions, ESG investing, crowdfunding, fintech partnerships, real-time dashboards. For example, Nika used data analytics to predict festive demand, helping them scale profitably without surplus stock. Ninth, financial management in different sectors. Let's look at how it varies. In manufacturing, focus is on cost control, capital budgeting, and production efficiency. In banking, focus is on liquidity, risk assessment, and regulatory compliance. In IT, focus is on R&D investments, employee costs, and global operations. In services, time billing, resource allocation, personnel cost. Example, Infosys splits its finance teams into project, international, and payroll, streamlining global decisions. Financial management is not just about money, it's about control, vision, and execution. From decision-making to strategy, from fundraising to risk control, it ensures that your business not only survives, but thrives. As Peter Drucker wisely said, what gets measured gets managed. And financial management is all about measuring, planning, and steering the organization towards success. Looking for easy-to-understand notes on financial management? Visit our website, ThinkEduca, your go-to resource for self-learners. Thank you for watching, and comment below with your thoughts on financial management. And I have a great video on product development that you'll find useful. Click here to watch it next. Until next time, stay curious and keep hustling.